Okay, just a reminder, we're not all about the big boats. We've also got some cool little sports boats that we can offer down at Salterns Brokerage. So I've taken out a Cormate 23 Utility that we've got listed for sale. It's just a beautiful little thing. I'll show you some video footage. We've got some running gear. Matt going out for a little blast today. It's a stunning day down here, down in Poole Harbour. I'm a bit hot in this jumper, if I'm honest. Now, you've got 70 grand to spend. If you're looking at the market, I'm going to show you two boats today. We're going to have a look at a Cormate 23 that's up for just shy of 70,000, and also we're going to have a look at a Boston Whaler, classic Boston Whaler 250 Outrage with a Yamaha 350 on the back. It's what everyone's looking for most of the time, but sports boats market's a bit tricky at the moment. It's a bit slower than it normally is. However, it's a great time to buy. If you're looking around at the moment, there was a time when they were just flying out the door. Now you've got a bit more time to have a look, peruse, make sure you're buying the right thing. That's why I want to show you a video of these two boats, because they will go soon. They're two great boats and they're really well presented. I'll show you this. Let's have a look. It's a cool little bench seat here at the back of this Cormate 23, and we've got a synthetic teak on the bathing platform here. Today our luxury is not 5 cabins, it's not all the glamour luxury. What we've got here is simple boating, but a really cool sports boat. If you want premium sports boat for less than 100,000, you've got a Mercury 300 here. When it fires up, and I'll do it in a minute, it sounds absolutely awesome. So it fires up, great sound to the engine, 300 horsepower, and then we've got the bathing platform back here. So even though you've got your outboard engine, when you drop that down, you've still got a bathing platform back here as well. Not only that, a nice little bench seat here as well, which also converts easily. In fact, I'll just do that. Push that back there, push that there, and then you've got a full-size sunbed, all with one hand. A full-size sunbed there. So you've got a sunbed here. Not only that, you've got a sunbed on the foredeck as well. So foredeck there with the speakers. So if on a nice day like today in Poole Harbour, you come out, sun's shining, and you've got loads of sunbathing space. So it's okay whether you come out on your own, or it'll actually take up to 7 people on here according to the CE plate. Masses of storage space in this locker underneath here as well, underneath the seat. It's a huge great big void underneath there, because that's where the inboard motor would go. Tabletop here, wooden tabletop. Everything feels very premium on these Cormates. And then you've got the seating area here, so if you come out for a spot of lunch, there's even a bimini top that comes with this particular model here as well, so it'll give you a bit of sunshade if you want to be out the sun. And then driving and helming the boat, it's a lovely cool position here, because we've got the race controls here. So what I mean by that is we've got one stick here for the gears, and one here for the throttle, and also the trim here as well. And if you're going out on your own, which you know you're perfectly able to do on this boat, you've also got a bow thruster as well, just give you a little bit of security as you're coming in and out as well. She's got nav lights, she's got low level lights all the way through here as well, and you've got the synthetic teak all the way through on the flooring. When you're underway, you've got a chart plotter here, colour chart plotter here, all touchscreen. It's really good, and it gives you a digital display in terms of the tankage, and also for your integrated into your Mercury as well. And then down below down here, a little bit of a mess because I bought the drone out today and my jacket, etc. We've got the bimini down there, but you've actually there's a toilet down below down there that just pulls out, so you just pull this across and then gives you the privacy there. And there's even a little cuddy if you wanted to stop over for the night as well. And then I did say I'd just fire up that engine, so if I just give that a turn there. Sounds awesome. So yeah, 300 horsepower Mercury, all there ready to go. I'm just going to give a little turn just to take her back into the marina, and there she is. So she's down here, less than 70,000. Come down and speak to the team. More videos coming your way. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.